my brother, when you are done with her,
I'm done.
you don't want anything with her.
I'm done with it. I'm done. Akahambe
For 7 years, she's lying and saying she's been cheating on you for 1 month. They've been talking for too long.
Lo muntu lona ekabamazi sengimlobolile ngenza yonke into. Ngilobole mfethu ngenza nje.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Ungenza nje? Ngenza nje?
Take your duke, my sister. Give us that shoes off my brother.
Bistu sakaza ngempama mezwa.
Ngamshaya.
Ngamshaya. Sakaza ngempama ngithola kahle. Ne phone futhi le phone la yathanga yimi ngemali yami yakhumbula? Awunalutho wena. Unjeje ngingishilo. Bisinto zami. Wesa into zami.
Wena ngakuthengela khona ke?
Yini wayithanga? Yini wayithanga? Ikipa ziphi lezo kipa?
Obvious president yakho.
Uqala ukuthi
uzozilanda ikipa zakhe.
Angimfuna kwami. Ngisamfunde no Africa flatini.
Ngenza noma yini.
Give us our duka, my sister.
Isiduku ne phone.
The phone.
Ngibona uzofeda ngani ngizombona ukuthi amanuthi uzosenzela ngani.
Angithi
amanuthi wena.
my brother. Angisho you got
no.
Uzothi makalethi phone uzothatha ikipa zakhe.
No, angisamfuni.
Uyabona ukuthi umqobanisi. Uyabona why you choose that? No, why you choose that?
Shut up.
Ngoba uya cheating.
Why you choose that?
If I didn't come you.
When wajabula uhamba nomuntu wakho ufika ukuthi ezolokho exchange amafoni.
And then athi uyacheata. Uchita vele.
Wenza isilima wena.
No, ungena indaba zabantu.
When you are
busted. Ngithola kabi.
So when my brother, all you want is your phone for now.
All I want is my phone.
Okay, my sister, take your cards and give him his phone. Take your cards and give him.
Shout out.
Ngobani?
No, ngeke ngikwazi uyazi ngisebenzisa
phone yami. Phone yami ngayithenga ngemali yami.
Mele sikhulumele ungamshayi. Mele sikhulumele. My sister, take your cards and give him his phone. Angisho manje he bought it. Do you have his sleep my Unaso sleep. So
no.
Uthi uthengile.
Yes, ngiyazi sleep.
Unaso.
Nginaso endlini.
Then is yakho le phone.
Usuza sleep ngoba manje sayami.
Oh. Miyeke nje uzomlanda ngeslip.
Ngiyaxolisa nje
ukulanda namaphoyisa ngoba ngifuna ukuthi wethathe ngenkani.
Bisifone yami.
Enough.
Lungile sinco.
Keep card lakho lapho ubisinto zami. Qhubeke nalo lwazi wakho. Makhelana wami ngenza silima wena.
Take some card my sister.
Ngenza silima makhelana wami.
Buka akafakanga nesim card efonini.
Buka.
No, isim card akuyona yami.
Febe lento leni.
Whose sim card is that?
Febe wena. Febe.
Leave my brother.
Akho phutsha wena.
Nami I'm leave her my king. There's nothing ozoyenza naye bafa.
Nothing.
Yamshiya
kanjalo.
Umnikeze ikipa zakhe ne.
Hayi ikipa engathumela ngisho sisi wakho noma bobani.
Usende uba connect.
Uba yena nje ngimfundi.
Shout out. Miyeke nje. My sister, you can go home.
Bongile wena.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Ayeka lo ndoda my sister. Manje why do you wanna go after him? Because and my sister, she's given. And Mara, the problem with the given people, they are given, also they give around. Like gift of the givers. You are given, you gift of the givers, and you are giving around, and you are giving around, and you're getting around, and you're giving around. And me, I'm not gonna say anything. You guys keep on do what I do. I'm gonna keep on do what I do best. My name is Joseph Tari. Don't forget that I like you and I love you guys. See you guys on another episode.